Look at who is stuck trying to cook, guys. I'm trying to cook, but I'm literally stuck because Liam isn't giving me any goddamn time. Dude has been crying and don't want to sleep, only just for me to hold him like this. And if I go and drop him again, he will start crying. I'm here in my kitchen. I'm boiling my beef. I should be preparing other stuff, but he didn't let me cook. And Robert, on the other hand, is not home yet. First day at home, at work, late home. Late home. Yeah. So he's not yet home, and I'm stuck here. Stuck! And I'm sleeping. Seriously, I'm so sleepy because I couldn't sleep last night. Liam didn't let me sleep last night, and I've been awake since 6 o'clock, 6 a.m. And it's been 12 hours because it's almost 6 a.m. right now. In few minutes, it will be 12 hours. And what I want to cook is something very simple. Yes, Ali. It's something very simple. Today, it's a very, very hot weather. You can see Liam is not wearing anything at all. I'm sweating, literally. We are almost not wearing anything in the house. Even Aria is not wearing anything. That's why I'm not even videoing her. She's just wearing diaper like Liam too. Everywhere. You can feel my chin. You can feel my chin, you can see my face. It's so sweating today. Live there. Don't go in there. Yeah. And I'm trying to cook, but unfortunately I can't cook. But we're eating swallow today, so it's very simple. Yeah, it's very simple. I'll try and put Liam down now and try if I can make my soup. Like I said, my beef is boiling, cooking already. So I'll see if I can quickly and hurry up with it. And maybe I might change my pot to what's it called? To fast cooker. To cooker so that it will cook on time. Because right now I don't want to be carrying Liam up and down, up and down, up and down. And Ashley was already helping to carry him, you know. Ashley can't spend any minute. He will be already tired. Emily the same thing, tired. Like they can't even spend a minute with Liam. So far, the only person that I know that if I say and come and stay with Liam, he will stay with Liam. Now you tell me who that person is. If I say you have to stay with Liam from now to tomorrow, he will stay with Liam and kiss him, kiss him, kiss him, kiss him. You have to be the one to tell me who that person is in the comment section. I'm not gonna say it. Yeah, so let's have that conversation in the comment section. Let's see who will likely stay with him all the days. Yeah. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. The heat is too much. So much. Guys, I'm back here to cook and yeah, my stock got burnt off in the process of carrying Liam. And I just picked up my meat away from it. Thank God it didn't get burned on time. So much. Yeah, so I have fish here, dry fish that I roasted this morning or the afternoon, something like that already. And I have broccoli here, and I have the main ingredients. The main ingredients is the it's not okra. Yeah. Sorry. This is not okra. This is ogbono. That is all here, and I'm gonna be melting it right now. So into an empty pot. It's just a soup just for today, only for today. I'm cooking this food mostly because of Aria. Aria haven't been really feeling well. I'm mostly doing it because of her. So I'm going to be adding my palm oil to it. On this, and then I have to turn it. So water just boiled, and I'm gonna put this in here along with my snail. The meat is already cooked, don't worry. Everything was already ready, and along with my fish. So because I don't want bone in my fish, I'm kind of like picking the fish because I don't want bone on it because of the kids. They are not so much into fish. They have the days. They have the days they are like, okay, fish. It's not every time. Okay. And the last one. So now we're going to add salt to it because we just lost the water to cook it before. So that's enough for the moment. And 1 Maggi to it. So we're going to be adding 1 Maggi to it. Like this is a new cooking now. Look at so much bones we pick out. Do you see a lot of bones? So we're gonna add a little bit of pepper to it. Try not to add so much because of Richard. And we're gonna add crayfish to it. That's a lot of crayfish. So Robert is back. I've seen him, he's back in the car. I see him back in the car. So we're gonna just give it a little bit of time, 2 minutes to boil. So that crayfish can soak into the water, to the sauce, and then we'll pour in our main ingredients. Okay, so let's mix in our main ingredients. So if you want to add maybe okra to it, you can add okra to it. You can add anything you want to add to it. I'm going to be adding vegetable, which is what's it called, broccoli to it, and that will be later. So it's going to cook a little bit now while cutting my broccoli here. So when you think you need a little bit of water, you just add a little bit to it. I think I need a little bit of water to loosen it up so it doesn't go too thick. So this is my traditional native soup. I don't have all the ingredients to this. There is a special locust beans that I should add to it, but I don't have it here. Mine's already long finished.
The stone pie. Daddy.
Okay.
Dad.
Yeah.
Stone pie.
It was probably similar to that.
Daddy.
Sounds good.
Mia. Mia.
Howdy.
Did you do this?
So soup A is almost ready. We're gonna give time to that broccoli to cook in a little bit, and we're gonna get it off. We're gonna let it to cook a little bit because we want it crunchy. So let's start making our swallow. So soup is ready. I'm ready off it. It's ready. You can see our broccoli is still very green. That means it's still very it's crunchy. Yeah. So now we have to make our swallow. We're gonna be using potato. So if you're watching from Facebook, watch out for this next video to know how I make that, because I've been receiving a lot of not just DM, it has extended to email asking me how I make this to swallow.